picture this. You're standing at the grocery store register, the belt is full, and you're suddenly wondering, do I actually have enough WIC benefits left for this gallon of milk? It's a stressful feeling, right? Well, how many of us know the absolute fastest, most stress-free way to check our exact benefit balance before we even step foot in the checkout line?
Did you know that over 200,000 moms, babies, and children right here in Michigan rely on WIC every single month? That's an incredible number of families receiving vital nutritional support. But mastering exactly how to check your benefit balance is the absolute key to maximizing that nutrition without any of that grocery store anxiety.
In this explainer, we're going to map out exactly how you can manage your WIC benefits seamlessly. We'll be covering understanding Michigan WIC, getting your account ready, digital versus analog checking, solving common issues, and we'll wrap up with some pro tips.
Section 1. Understanding Michigan WIC.
WIC is this incredible network of support that goes way beyond just groceries. Sure, it provides nutrient-rich foods like milk, cheese, eggs, and fresh produce tailored specifically for growing kids and moms. But it also gives you access to continuing nutrition education, dedicated breastfeeding support, and referrals to other community programs. To really take full advantage of the food portion, though, checking your balance regularly is absolutely crucial, so you know exactly what resources are ready to go for your family's meals this week.
Section 2. Getting your account ready.
Before we jump right into the digital tools to check your balance, you just need to gather 3 essential pieces of information. First up is your Michigan WIC Family ID. You can easily spot this at the top of your physical MIWC shopping list, or you can just call your local clinic to get it. Next, you need your 16-digit WIC EBT card number. And finally, the date of birth of the authorized person on the account, which is usually the pregnant, postpartum, or birthing person registered under the WIC case. Grab those 3 things, and you're ready to roll.
Section 3, Digital versus Analog Checking.
So you essentially have 2 main pathways here. You can go the digital route using the internet-connected mobile app or web portal for real-time tracking right from your couch. Or you can use highly reliable analog pathways, like an automated phone line or checking your point-of-sale receipt. That analog option is an absolute lifesaver when you're on the go and maybe don't have the best cell service. Let's dive into the digital route first. For both the website and the app, everything starts with the state of Michigan's unified single sign-on credentialing system known as MyLogin Citizen. Think of it as your highly secure digital gateway to your benefits.
If you're a desktop person, simply navigate over to mylogin.michigan.gov. Click Sign Up, enter your profile info to create an account, and then look for the Discover Online Services tab. From there, you literally just search for WIC Client Connect, accept the terms, and use those 3 pieces of info we gathered earlier to link your WIC EBT card directly to your profile.
And honestly, the interface is incredibly straightforward. You just hit that sign up button, and the profile creation only asks for the basics: your name, email, a mobile number in case you need a password reset, and a couple of security questions. It takes maybe 2 minutes tops. And boom, you have a secure portal that mirrors the exact same features as the mobile app.
Speaking of the mobile app, if you are constantly on your smartphone, this is going to be your new best friend. You can download the WIC Connect app completely for free on the Apple App Store or Google Play. Log in using those exact same MyLogin credentials you just created. Once your account is linked, you can instantly see your exact quantities of active and scheduled benefits just by tapping the Benefits button right on the home dashboard. You can even peek at future benefits your clinic has already authorized for you.
But let's pause and imagine a classic scenario. You are in the store, deep in the dairy aisle. You're trying to figure out if you have enough benefits left for both a gallon of milk and a block of cheese, but the store has super thick walls and you literally have 0 bars of cell service. The app just won't load. What do? Well, that is exactly where the analog method saves the day.
Michigan WIC maintains a rock-solid 24/7 automated toll-free line. Seriously, you might want to pause this explainer right now and save this number straight to your contacts: 1-888-678-8914. When you call this number, you just type your 16-digit card number into the keypad, punch in your 4-digit PIN, and the automated voice will read out exactly what active food benefits you have left for the month. 0 internet required.
Section 4. Solving common issues.
Now, technical hiccups do happen, so let's troubleshoot a bit. Keep in mind that while the mobile app is fantastic for checking balances, you absolutely cannot use it to replace a lost, stolen, or damaged physical EBT card. For that kind of emergency, you have to use that 1-888-678-8914 number we just talked about, or contact your local county WIC clinic directly. If your app is acting up and just won't link your account, give the state helpline a call at 1-800-942-1636. And this is super important. If you ever need after-hours infant feeding support, call the Breastfeeding Warm Line at 1-833-649-4223. They're available from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. daily, so you have a whole team backing you up.
Section 5. Pro Tips for WIC. Let's wrap things up with a few best practices.
A really great pro tip is to always check your balance before you even leave the house. It makes building your grocery list and budgeting your allocations so much easier. Once you are actually in the store, you can use the barcode scanner feature right inside the WIC Connect mobile app to instantly verify if a specific food brand is WIC approved before you put it in your cart. Oh, and here's a really cool fact. WIC participants in Michigan can currently shop online at all Meijer locations. They are the only vendor offering online shopping for WIC right now, which is a total game changer. And hey, if you have your own WIC budgeting tricks or shopping tips, drop them down in the comments for the rest of the community.
Before we finish up today, just a quick reminder. Program rules, income eligibility limits, and approved food items can and do evolve. The information in this explainer is based on current guidelines, so you should always verify the details with your local health department or check official state websites like michigan.gov/WIC for the absolute most up-to-date and personalized info for your specific case.
And that brings us to the end of our guide. By taking just a couple of minutes to set up your digital portals or saving that automated phone number, you are literally taking all of the stress out of the checkout line. Thank you so much for joining me in this explainer. I really hope these tools help you focus a little less on the administrative stuff and a lot more on watching your family thrive. So, I'll leave you with this. How will you use your seamlessly managed WIC benefits to power your family's health and nutrition this month?